How to fix disable Instagram account. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix this problem. As you can see here, we have disabled your account will be written when you try to log in your Instagram. So it is basically because of the uh, terms and condition you are not um, applying with the Instagram. You are crossing the limit, or you are violating the terms and conditions of the Instagram. So guys, if you are not doing anything but also your account has been disabled, then this video is absolutely for you. So guys, let me just be clear with you all that no need to watch a lot of videos on YouTube or social media about disable account. There is only 5% chance to get back your account. I am saying you this because of my experience. Okay, there is only 5% chances that you will get back your account. So guys, if you want to try it out, if you will be able to fix this problem or not, I'm going to give you one solution here. Just what you need to do is that just go to Google and then search for Instagram help center. Okay, after searching for Instagram help center, here just click on the first link that you will be there will be available, and then it will redirect you to another page here. Okay, and then guys, what you can do is that here this type of interface will be pop up. Just scroll down here. Okay, just scroll down, remove this. Here you can see there will be one option that is contact us. Simply click on contact us, and then it will redirect you to you another page. Just scroll down, and here you will get one option that is FB Go India at support.facebook.com. So you have to just copy this email. Okay, after copying this email, what you need to do is that you have to go to email now. Now here click on compose, and then here you have to enter the email. Okay, this one. Now guys, what you can do is that click on subject option, and then here you have to write Instagram account recovery. Okay, now here what you have to write in compose mail, I will show you. So guys, you have to paste this here. Okay, you will get this prompt in my Telegram channel. You can just go in my description box and go to the Telegram channel, and then you will definitely find this, and then you can copy from here. But guys, here keep that in mind that you have to change your username, and then give your own email ID here on the bottom. Okay, so after doing this, just send it, and then you have to wait for some time, at least 24 to 48 hours. They will contact you, and then I'm not sure it will fix your problem or not, but you can give it a try, and let's check it out. Thanks for watching.